Hello guys, I got my Fashom box. Some of you know I had surgery on my foot a couple of days ago. I'm not sure how I'm going to do the try-on for this. We'll have to see. I might just wait and record the try-on in a few days if my foot's feeling a little bit better. I'll work it out. So you'll either just see an unboxing or you'll see an unboxing with a try-on at the end that may have been filmed a few days after this. Anyway, let's get to the opening. Now, Mary is married and gone, but she said to me before she left, would you like to keep Anduril, Flame of the West? She actually left a few of her swords here so that I could open boxes with them. So, come on Anduril, let's open this Fashom box. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you've not watched my earlier videos. My daughter collects swords. And Anduril works really, really, really well. It's not just for orcs. All right. This is the one side of the box I didn't cut. There we are. Let's see what's in this Fashom. I did ask for transitional and spring stuff. I did let Kristen know that I was getting foot surgery, and also I put on COVID weight, so I wasn't sure about trousers. So this should be just tops. Yes, it is. Here's my invoice. Put that down there. If you're not sure what Fashom is, it's a styling service like Stitch Fix or Trunk Club. It's not a subscription. You get it on order. It's less expensive than a lot of the other brands. It's less expensive than Stitch Fix, and they have a really good discount. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off everything in your box, and if you keep all 5, you get 30% off, so that's a pretty good deal. I will have more details in the description box below. Here's my mailer to return anything I do not wish to keep, and here is my bundle. Oh, those colors look good. Oh, I like those colors. That looks different in person than it did on the little card, the preview picture. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is a Chris and Carol top. It's got one of those stretchy necks. Looks like a half sleeve. I don't know if it's half or 3/4. My arms are so short. I think it's supposed to be a half, but on me it might be a 3/4. It's also got elastic around the sleeve. I like the color. I'm not a fan of most blues, but this is a blue I think I could wear. Let's see what it's made of and where it's made. Chris and Carol's probably made in the USA. We'll see. All right. Boy, this is, it's polyester rayon. Mostly polyester with some rayon. It's very soft. Made in the USA. All right. See what that looks like on. I got that COVID weight on. I'm really hoping. I told her, don't send me. I used to be on the verge between medium and large. I said, don't send me any mediums. They won't fit anymore. This is Leia Me. Oh, this is a size medium. Maybe it runs big. I love the color on this. It's a sweater. I really like this color. I don't know what you would call it. Turquoise? It's sort of a marled turquoise. All right. It looks very warm and soft. Hemline looks like a regular hemline. Oh, it's got a slit up the side. It does have a slit. We'll see how high that goes. One of the advantages of being very high-waisted is that's often not a problem. And this is also made in the USA. It's polyester and nylon. It also feels soft. It doesn't feel like a polyester top. Polyester is one of those things that when it's good, it's very, very good, and when it's bad, it's horrid. All right, so, and, oh, I know what this is. This is a cardigan. I'm really looking forward to this. This is by Natural Life. Look at the color. You guys know I love this copper color. I love this copper color. It is an open cardigan, no buttons, long sleeves. Oh, here's the cuff. It's got a cuff at the end. Does it have pockets? Let's see if it has pockets. That's always a big thing with cardigans. Yes, it has pockets. Deep pockets. Look at that. That's the pocket sticking out. I'm looking forward to this. This looks like it might be long, almost like a duster cardigan, and I'm only 5'2", but I don't mind long cardigans. Depends how they look. Made in Mexico, white birch. Here we go. And this is an olive sweater. Kind of a, I don't know if you'd call it, I guess it's more of a boat neck than a crew neck. I was gonna say crew neck, but it's very wide. A wide neck can sometimes be a problem for me because my shoulders are so narrow. So I don't know about that. Here's a little cuff. And then let me show you the bottom of this. Can you see? There you go. It's got it's one of those ones that looks like it has another shirt on under it, but that's actually just the detail sewn in there. So that's a very interesting top. I like this. I'm not sure about that neckline. I think that's going to be way too wide for me, but we will see. Okay. Kristen, one thing about Fashom is you can get a lot of interaction with your stylist, so they can really get to know you, which is good. I do the video calls with Kristen all the time. And she knows I like a top, or I like clothing that kind of can tell a story. She sent me a dress before that looked like clouds were on it. Gray, blue clouds. And gray, blue, and white. I'm not a big fan of most blues or most grays, but I loved that because it just looked like a story could take place in it. I could hold that dress up and make it a story prompt. So, but I love that design, that pattern. Look at this. And instead of the blue, it's mostly green and gray. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that, it looks like universes, a nebula. Look at the little cuff. Another top by Chris and Carol. I hope this fits. I hope it fits. I hope it fits. All right. I'm going to have to figure out a way to do a try on here. This is also made in the USA. Size large. 63% polyester, 34% rayon, 3% spandex. Okay, so it's got that softness of rayon, but durability of polyester. This is a good box. When I saw the preview, you know, a lot of these places, Stitch Fix too, you can see once an item's shipped, you can see what's been shipped to you. You can look at the little thumbnail pictures. And on the thumbnails, I was like, all right, whatever. And then you see it in person and it's, wow, that's really good. All right, stay tuned for the try-on. All right, here is that olive top with the brown on the bottom. I'm wearing a navy tank under all these tops, so you can see the tank top showing through on my shoulders. The neckline is really wide. This is kind of actually a short hemline and a really wide top, so I guess it's supposed to have that boxy look. It's both too big on me and too short on me, I think. Unfortunately, I really like the idea behind this, but I don't think it's right for me. All right, this is the Chris and Carol top with the gathered neck. This actually, the fit is better. It's another one I just don't think looks quite right. I think this particular, you can see the blue tank under it too. This particular neckline doesn't really do me any favors. This one is like, not flattering. It does have a better fit than I think anything else in the box though. So this is sort of, if I was keeping all of it, I would keep it, but without that, I wouldn't buy it. All right, this one. This is the long copper colored cardigan. And this is actually a size medium. I thought it was a size large, but it's a medium. It is, I think, designed to look really big. This is a little slouchy for me and still looks a little big on me, but I don't think sizing down would work. I think the problem with this one is it does accentuate my hips. I don't think that's just the pockets. I think that's the hemline. It's sort of gathered at the bottom like a sweatshirt, not gathered, but has a band on the bottom, which means it balloons out over the hips. So I was on the fence about this. It is the priciest thing in the box. Part of it I like and part of it I didn't. And I did decide to pass on it. I think if that hemline was straight, I might have kept it. The sleeves are long, but they can be cuffed. All right, here's the other Chris and Carol top. I am so disappointed with this one because I really like the pattern. Looking at it on me, I think actually the colors are a little faded for me. But most of all, this was just too darn big. I thought about exchanging this for a size down. I didn't like it enough to risk doing that. One thing Fashom does, and this is probably the one real big drawback to Fashom. Overall, Fashom is my favorite box. You can do a size exchange if it's in stock, but once you do the exchange, the sale is final. So if the exchange doesn't fit, you're stuck. I think a size down might be too small in this. I liked it, but I don't think it looks great on me. Now, this is another item she sent in medium, and maybe I should have told her just to send mediums because this has the best fit. But you can see, again, the hemline is very short in the front and it hits in a non-complementary place. And that ruffle at the sides, that's kind of a cute idea, but it, again, really accentuates my hips. It probably is a little bit small on me. I think a size up would be too big on me. So if this sweater had had a normal hemline, I probably would have kept it. So there's a bunch of things in this box that came across as, ooh, if just a little bit was different, I would keep it. But overall, I like the idea of these items, but I'm not sure anything really did me any favors. All right, stay tuned for the wrap up. Okay guys, wrap up. I gotta tell you, I thought I recorded this wrap up already. So I'm editing my video. I can't find the video for the wrap up. So we're doing it again. I want to tell you first, this is about 2 weeks since I got the box. I had that foot surgery and boy, did it take out of me far more than I thought it would take out of me. I'm still supposed to be keeping my foot up because it wasn't quite healing as fast as it should. So I probably shouldn't have recorded that try-on. And in the try-on, you can see me kind of limping because I have a surgical boot on. But I really wanted to get this video up. Fashom was very generous in extending my return time so that I could get that done. They probably would have extended it longer. I did, however, return everything in the box. Now, the previous Fashom box I got, I kept everything in the box. This was one of the items. This is a cardigan I absolutely love. It's the softest thing in the world. If I forget the brand, I'll probably put the text for it underneath. I have had, of all my boxes, I have had the most luck with Fashom. There are things in it that I just wear the heck out of. But this past box, nothing really fit. Let me go over the items. The white birch Stella waffle knit top, which was the olive one with a brown hem. That was just the wrong shape for me. And that neckline was a little bit too wide. I must admit, I couldn't fuss with these items as much as usual, and because I can't really stand for very long. Part of me really liked that. I just don't think it worked on me. I think if you had the right body shape, that would be an awesome top. It's unbelievably soft. And that was $38, and with Fashom, you get discounts. If you keep at least 3 items, you get 25% off. And if you keep everything in the box, you get 30% off. So if I'd kept the whole box, it would have been $26.60 for that item, which is a great price. Then the Leia Me long sleeve sweatshirt top. It wasn't a sweatshirt, it was kind of that aqua turquoise sweater with the slits up the side. I said I thought that fit me the best, but I think actually the Chris and Carol top fit me the best. It was slightly too small on me. After I watched and I rewatched my video and I said, oh, it's just a little small on me. Without the slits on the bottom, if it had a regular hem, I would have thought about keeping that one. That was $45 though, a little bit pricey. If I kept everything in the box, it would be $31.50. Then we have the Natural Life Avery long sleeve cardigan. I went back and forth on keeping that one. And that was $58, priciest thing in the box. I love the color and I really like a long cardigan. Thought it looked a little bathrobe-y on me, and I think it was just the cut. And I thought about going a size down, but then I said, oh, I don't want to risk that. I don't want to risk it and have it not work at all. And if I kept everything in the box, that would have gone down in price to $40.60. Then we have the first Chris and Carol top, the Live tie-dye top that had that elastic neck. That's the one, looking back at the video, I think that fit me the best. I just didn't think it was very complimentary. It was the kind of item I might keep if I was keeping everything else to get the discount. I think an elastic neckline doesn't work well with me because of the way it gathers, and it doesn't look right with my bust line. I am shaped like a triangle, not really like a pear because it doesn't come in and then go out in the hips. I just kind of sort of like something melted in the sun and it's all gathered around the bottom. That's my shape. And it just really didn't look good on me, unfortunately. So that was $41. But if I kept everything in the box, that would only be $28.70. Wasn't bad, just wasn't great on me. And then the other Chris and Carol top that I really liked, the one that was basically a sweatshirt. It was really, really well made. The stitching was really good. It had that tie-dye pattern on it that looks like a nebula. It was just really big on me. I think it's designed to be oversized, but it wasn't complimentary on me. And that's another one I was on the fence about. Should I exchange it for a size down? Actually, if that was sent in another box in a size down for me to try, I'd probably reconsider it. But it was $45, and if I kept everything in the box, it would be $31.50. All these prices are very good. If you're used to subscription boxes, you know for a subscription box, these prices are pretty darn good. This particular box, though, I don't think anything quite worked. It's hit or miss. I usually do really well with Fashom. This time, I don't know, swing and a miss. So I do look forward to my next box. I'm going to wait and hopefully recover from this foot surgery before I get any other box from anybody. And when I do, I will see you. As always, even though I did return everything, leave your comments or questions in the description box below. And if you like unboxing videos, please like and subscribe. I never say that. I always forget to say that. All right, I'll see you next time.